Celebrating milestones. Understanding. Cheers to 25 years. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a special phrase that you might come across in celebrations, anniversaries, and significant milestones. Cheers to 25 years. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's significant in various contexts. So, let's get started. The phrase, "Cheers to 25 years," is a celebratory expression used to mark a significant milestone of 25 years. This could be related to a wide range of events, from marriage anniversaries, friendships, and business achievements to personal growth milestones. The word, cheers, is often associated with toasting during celebrations, symbolizing good wishes, happiness, and congratulations. By saying, "Cheers to 25 years," you're essentially celebrating a quarter-century's worth of memories, achievements, and experiences. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various settings. Anniversaries. Celebrating 25 years of marriage, friendship, or any significant relationship. Business milestones. Marking 25 years since the establishment of a business or organization. Personal achievements. Commemorating 25 years of personal growth, career achievements, or other milestones. When using this phrase, it's commonly done during a toast. You might raise a glass and say, "Cheers to 25 years," to acknowledge the milestone and express hope for more to come. It's also popular in greeting cards, social media posts, and celebratory banners. Celebrating quarter-century milestones is a significant cultural practice in many parts of the world. It represents longevity, commitment, and the accumulation of experiences that contribute to one's identity or the identity of a relationship or entity. The phrase, "Cheers to 25 years," encapsulates a moment of reflection, gratitude, and anticipation for future adventures. It's a way to publicly acknowledge the importance of time and the journey it represents. Cheers to 25 years is more than just a phrase. It's a celebration of endurance, love, and achievement. Whether you're marking a personal milestone or celebrating a collective achievement, this phrase helps encapsulate the joy and significance of the occasion. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, usage, and cultural importance. Here's to learning and celebrating together. Cheers to 25 years of whatever milestone you might be commemorating or aspiring to reach. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful.